Hi guys, it's Miss Moline again, and I wanted to go ahead and kind of piggyback what Mrs. Auld already taught you about the calendar. Okay, so right now let's kind of look at it. A calendar is really cool because, at least for us teachers, we use it every single day. We use our calendar to plan what we're going to be teaching and what we're going to be doing with our students constantly. So all of us, I know all of my best friends in second grade, we all have planners and we all plan together and we definitely use our calendar. We mark our weeks, all the things. So let me show you kind of into our lives a little bit, okay? So right here, we have a little bit of an overview. So remember, which you already know, there are 12 months in 1 year, okay? Another good thing to remember is there are 52 weeks also in 1 year. So 12 months and 52 weeks in 1 year. And we all know 7 days is 1 week. Okay, so now that we have that kind of down, let's go and look at your slide for today on slide 6. Let's look at your first question. It says, are there more days in April or May? Okay, so let's refer back to our calendar and let's take a look. So I'm going to go ahead and see if it likes me today and lets me blow it up a little bit. So far, so good. It's been mad at me all day long. Okay, so in April, I'm looking, and I don't want that color. I can see that April has 30 days. Okay, then I'm going to go ahead and look at May, the month that we're in right now. My birthday is Thursday. Okay, there are 31 days in May. My birthday is Thursday. Okay, so if we go back and we read our question again, forgot I'm on that. I'm learning still how to teach with this. Okay, so if we go back down, we look at our question again, are there more days in April or in May? We looked at it and I saw that there were 30 days in April. I looked back at the end date and there were 31 days in May, my birthday month. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put in May as my answer. Okay, now I'm going to go. All right, here we go. It says list the months that each have greater than 30 days. Okay, so let's refer back to our calendar up here real quick because, guys, there's actually a lot that have more than 30 days. Let's start at the beginning in January. I'm going to go ahead, use my cool tool here. I'm going to do it in yellow. Okay, so we know January has more than 30 days. It ends at 31. February normally has 28 days, guys, but this year we had 29 in February. We had a leap year, but still not quite 31. March, greater than 30. April, no, right at 30. Okay. May, my birth month, has greater than 30. I'm going to go ahead and circle that in yellow too. Okay. June, 30 days. Okay. July has 31 days. And then I'm going to go ahead and scooch it up a little bit. August has 31 days. What about September? Oh, September has 30 days. October has 31. November has 30. And then December, a really good month in our year, has 31 days. So we can go ahead and circle that one too. So if we refer back to our calendar and we look, there's quite a few months we need to put down on that answer. So I can put down a couple of them for you. Let's start at the beginning. So I'm going to have to put 1, 2, looking for all of my yellow circles, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 7 months, guys, that have greater than 30 days. So I can go ahead, when I'm filling out my answer, I want to go ahead and make sure that I'm using my comma because I'm making a list. It says right here, list. So I saw January, comma, March, comma, let's go back up here. May, July and August. August. October and December. Oh my gosh. And but remember, just like Mrs. Auld touched on too, I love that she did this. They're all proper nouns. So you do need to capitalize each of your months, and they kind of fit on there. So that's what your answer is going to look like, okay? 7 whole months on there, guys. All right. Ooh, an interesting question. What is the date of the 5th Tuesday in September? Okay, so let's go back up and let's refer to our months really quick. I love all of my little tools. So the 5th Tuesday, I'm getting right up here, in September, if I'm counting, I start on Tuesday, which is the 1st. It's my 3rd column on here. So the 1st, here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, so we got it. It is September 29th. So you can go ahead and put right here 29. And then, this will be nice, much easier. Which month has less than 30 days? Okay, so there's not too many of those. Remember, when it's saying less than 30 days, it's not asking for any that are 30. It's less than 30. So we're looking at 29 or 28 days. Let's go ahead and look around a little. I remembered that we had February. I remembered. You guys, let's keep looking. 31, 29, 31, 30, 31, 30, 31, 31, 30, 31, 30, 31. Guys, there's only 1 month with less than 30 days. And that, of course, is our wonderful month of February. All right. So hopefully this is going to help you guys do this slide. Make sure that you follow along with me. Okay. And try to help me figure out what to do for Thursday. My birthday. All right, guys. Have a great time with your calendar and planning.